I'm in the sawmill today measuring how big of a log I can get. It looks like I can get a 20-inch log on my chainsaw mill. And that's from side to side. I've got a 34-inch blue spruce log. And I'm going to show you how to get it to fit on here. First step, I ripped it down the middle. And what I did was I measured each end of the log, found the center, made me a straight line, which you can see I've painted on this one. It was a little off the line, but I can fix all that on the mill. And then I painted a line all the way down the center of the log, ripped it from both sides with the chainsaw since my bar wasn't long enough. And then over here it had, on this half of the log, I cut off the ears on each side, so now it'll fit on the sawmill. I need to do that to this log, which you can see I've made a mark with the chainsaw. I need to cut that off, and then about that same amount on the bottom side of the log. And after doing that, I'll be able to saw a 34-inch log on a chainsaw mill that will hold a 20-inch log. Okay, you can see I've measured over the measurement I want and made marks with a red paint marker. Now what I'll use is a chalk line, connect all them together. Okay, now you can see I've got the red chalk line running the whole length of the log. Now I just need to start the saw and start trimming. Now I got it trimmed to where she should fit on the sawmill. This is called a cant hook for rolling logs. And we're gonna go to one end, sometimes you can give it a little wobble and it'll help even it out so that one side's not up further than the other. You can see there I've got it on the mill. Now I've made my first cut. Now I gotta turn it 3 times and each time make a cut till I get it into a cant. Here's another good tip. It's always a good idea to leave your crib a little covered with sawdust when you do pine, and the reason for that being is you're going to hit pockets. There's some nasty snot. It's really sap, but it looks more like snot, and you're going to hit some pockets of that, and it's just going to drip everywhere, and you'll have it all over your crib. You leave sawdust covering it, it'll come right off. Matter of fact, here's one of the holes where I'll probably hit some sap on down into the log.